Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful whipped chocolate drink. It's really easy to put together. It is kind of my spin on the Dalgona coffee, the whipped coffee, which is just sweeping the internet at the moment. It is just trending. If you're like me and coffee doesn't agree with you, or you're just not a fan of coffee and you want a chocolate alternative, then I'm going to show you how to make this really easy chocolate version today. It's so decadent, it's so lovely, so rich and chocolatey. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions for how to make this lovely drink. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chocolate drink a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So the three ingredients I'm going to be using to make my whipped topping is cream. I'm using this fresh Irish cream. You can really use any cream you can whip into whipped cream, whether it's double, heavy, whipping, any cream you like. I've got cocoa powder for my chocolatiness, and I'm using stevia for sweetness, but you could use sugar instead if you want. I'm going to start by whipping up 1/3 of a cup of cream. There you go, till it's just starting to thicken. We're going to thicken it a bit more now once we've added in the chocolate and the sweetener. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now the original recipe was 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. That is way too sweet for me. If you like sweets like that, I prefer things a little on the darker side. So I'm just going to go for 2 teaspoons of stevia. You can use 2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons of stevia, sugar, whatever you like. So I'll pop my 2 teaspoons in and whisk till it's creamy. There you go. It kind of looks a bit like frosting. It smells super chocolatey. So definitely have a taste and see if it's dark or sweet to your liking, because you can always add a bit more chocolate or a bit more stevia. And now we're going to put it all together. Okay, so I have a glass here and I'm just going to pour it kind of 3/4 full with milk. You can just use any milk you like. Yeah, that will do. And then we'll top it with some of our lovely chocolate topping. Now this is super rich. It is so good. It's beautiful and thickened. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, what a treat. So there you go, look at that. Some of the chocolate has sunk down in the bottom and you can mix it through. Oh, it's just going everywhere. Look at that beautiful chocolatiness. You can give it a nice mix through and then you've got this beautiful chocolatey drink, which, yeah, I can't resist a little taste of it when you mix it through with the milk. The chocolate itself is pretty dark, so once you've mixed it through with the milk, it's just perfect. Chocolatiness, creamy. It was just absolutely beautiful. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely whipped chocolate drink a try and what you think of it, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.